With different parts of your life changing and unfolding at the same time, taking care of you can easily take a back seat. And you need all the energy you can get right now to manage your life changing. You need energy to make informed decisions about all the logistical adjustments. You need to have the physical strength that's required for the daily tasks and responsibilities. You need the energy to avoid burnout. And you also need the energy to be present and supportive for your children. And so having some simple self-care techniques can help you recharge so that you have the ability to manage this transition as well as you can. And so some examples can look like maybe 15 to 30 minutes daily of just maybe walking, maybe journaling, maybe reading. It can look like adequate sleep. And what this means is setting a consistent time to go to bed to get enough quality rest. Another technique can look like giving your body the nourishment it needs. So staying hydrated during the day, fueling your body with the foods that your mind and body work well on. Another technique can look like incorporating an activity that will help you charge. So it can be yoga, cardio, walking. Another simple self-care technique can look like setting boundaries with people right now, right? Because when you're going through a divorce, you're going to have some folks, y'all, that really want to offer their unsolicited opinions. Not to mention that you can also have exchanges with your ex where your emotions are high. They run high. You understand what I'm saying? And this is when you need to set the boundaries that will protect your energy, that will help reduce conflict, and it will also keep you focused on making clear decisions. And so what this can look like is, let's just talk friends and family right now. You can be kind but firm. You can say something on the lines of, thank you for your concern, but I'd rather not talk about this right now. You can say, I respect your opinion. However, I'm handling it in a way that feels right for me. Now, let's talk about the ex. What could that look like? Let's keep the conversation child-centered only. Avoid those conversations where you know nothing will get accomplished or resolved. It'll just be a lot of back and forth. Minimize verbal communication if necessary, meaning that we can use these other methods like email, text, or co-parenting app for a more structured communication. Or let's talk about yourself. What boundaries do you need to set with you? Well, maybe you need to give yourself permission to say no to individuals, situations, or even commitments that are parasitic to you. You also may need to step back from certain commitments for a while, right? It's not that they're bad. It may not even be parasitic. It just may be a season where you can't give it the attention it requires. And so the question that I want to ask you is, what boundary can you incorporate? What self-care routine can you implement?